Hello guys and welcome back again to your channel Tech Vikings. In this tutorial I will teach you how to increase your RAM without spending any money. So we will increase your RAM not physically, it will be virtually. So follow me. Now we will go to settings, then we will go to about your PC. In my case, the installed RAM, the physical RAM is 16 gigabyte. So in your case, maybe it's 2 gigabyte or 4 gigabyte or 6 gigabyte. You should check from here how much your RAM. So after checking your RAM, go scroll down and go to advanced system settings. From here, you will go to advanced and then you will go to settings in the performance section. Then you will go to advanced tab and then here you can find virtual memory. So virtual memory, it's a part of the storage, HDD or SSD, it's a part of the storage. We convert it into a RAM, into a supporting space for the RAM. So we will hit on change. In your case it will be like this. This will be checked, so we uncheck this one. And then we can go to custom size, hit on the custom size, and here we need to provide two entries. First one is the initial size in megabyte and maximum size in megabyte also. So I have something here, a screenshot where you can follow. So in the initial size, you have to convert. For example, in my case, I have 16 gigabyte. Maybe in your case you will have 4 gigabyte or 8 gigabyte. So let's suppose you have 4 gigabyte. So the 4 gigabyte, we need to multiply by 1024 to convert it to megabyte. Then for the initial RAM size, we multiply by 1.5. And for the maximum RAM size, we multiply by 3. So let me show you in my case. In my case, I have 16 gigabytes, so I will open the calculator. So 16 gigabyte multiplied by 1024 to convert to megabyte. Then I will multiply by 1.5. So this is the amount I should use in the initial size. This is the amount. And now for the maximum size, I will multiply 16 multiplied by 1024 multiplied by 3. So this is the amount for the maximum size. So that's it. I just have to press OK. And now we need to restart our system. So this will take effect. So it's very simple. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. And for this, you can take a screenshot for this. Maybe you will need. So as I told you, it's very simple. If you have 4 gigabyte, you multiply by, if you have 4 gigabyte, you follow this one. If you have 8 gigabyte RAM, you follow this one. If you have 16 gigabyte or 32 gigabyte, you follow, as I mentioned here in this screenshot. So thank you for being with me and for supporting me, and for I really enjoy when you hit the subscribe button and put like, and thank you so much for your support. Goodbye.